and welcome to my channel. My name is Molly and here we do sewing, crafts, and fun. I have a friend whose coworker asked me to make a matching school uniform for her daughter's Labubu. So I thought we'd try that out today. I have some fabric from an old uniform that her kiddo used to wear, and I have this Lafufu that I bought a little while ago. She is roughly the same size as the real Labubu. I did get measurements from my friend's coworker, so we should be able to put something together. The uniform that they wear for this kiddo's school looks like this. Cute little plaid skirt, white top. This one is a romper. It does have these little straps on it. This thing is so cute and I don't want to cut it up, but I need to make the outfit. What I'm most concerned about is making the little top. I think we need to just jump in and start trying some things. So I'm gonna look for some fabric for that. I have not been sewing very much this year at all, and I think it's because I got a real sense of like sewing scaries where I didn't want to cut into any fabric and ruin it, and I think that's the main reason why sewing takes me so long, because I don't want to cut into my fabric and ruin it. I also really got into crochet, which is nice because I can take it with me and get some thread. Whereas sewing, if I want to be doing it, I have to be out here. My boss gave me this new chair because she got a replacement for her office chair, and I'm really liking it. This is the first time I've really sat in it, and it is very comfy. Anyways, I have a huge pile that I am trying not to show you right now. Stuff I want to mend and alter, projects, I want to make a new t-shirt quilt, all sorts of stuff, and it's just kind of been sitting in the corner for ages. I really want to be doing as many videos as I possibly can and try and fill my time with making more stuff and showing you more stuff. I have gotten really busy with my crochet things, putting my bobbin in, because I've started selling them at markets. I've got a couple of market recap videos on the channel and I'm really enjoying that, but I can't crochet as much as I'd like to. I already crochet a lot and it is wearing out my fingers, which is a bummer. So I think having some sewing projects in between will help me give my fingers a rest, use different muscles, and have other projects. I already feel so anxious! This is why we're starting with the Labubu blouse, because if I mess this up, I still have lots of fabric I don't have to worry about. Anyways, we're gonna start sewing. Tank top. I'm gonna trim these threads and then take the rest of the hem of that t-shirt I was cutting up earlier and see if I can just pop that in as sleeves. I think it'll work. I think also I'm gonna end up probably cutting a hole in the back of this tank top and trying to do it up with these little armholes. Look small. Come give me your little arm. Will it do? Will it do, pig? Okay, actually, I think it's gonna work fine. I had a lovely morning today. Kate and I went to a pumpkin patch and had some fun out there.
Oh wait, it's a video.
It's a video! Yay! This year, I'm trying to do as many fall fun things as I possibly can, because last year, I broke my wrist and spent all of October recovering from a surgery, which is the last thing that I want to do in my sacred month, but you know, we all have things happen that we can't control. What am I doing? Pinning is so hard. I have to use my whole brain. Just a sec. Okay, brain acquired. I made the little sleeves. Got the measurement right. It's in here, and I know it's just gonna be a nightmare to get it through the machine. So I'm contemplating hand stitching it, but I really don't want to do that. So I think I'll try and put it through the machine, and if I need to hand stitch it, we will pivot. Nope, nope, it's gonna have to be hand stitched. Fam, I like blacked out and just went ham on this little shirt. Okay, it looks kind of weird now, but I think this is gonna work out. I'm a tiny bit worried that the sleeves are a little small, but when I put them on the Labubu, like, it looks alrighty. I've got some bias tape. I had to do a seam down the front. Are you focusing on me? Don't focus on me. And then this is the little collar. I've cut open the back. We're gonna do Velcro in the back. Let me sew on the other half of the collar and I'll show you what it looks like on the Lafufu. Team, I think it's good. Look at, she's got a little collar. Can you see her? Look, it's a collar. Now, this Labubu is the like have a seat Labubu, and the one I'm making it for will be the standing. So I think it'll work well, but I think this is kind of a vibe. I'm gonna send a picture of it to my friend Nasim and we'll see what she says. I think we're gonna put like a little button right here in the collar too. I had to go and find a button. I didn't have any up here. Little button. I think this might be like a shell or maybe ivory or something. I don't know, it's an antique. But we're just gonna pop that on there. I'm cutting Velcro now, getting it ready to fix the back so the little top can close, and the self-doubt is creeping in. I have sent a picture to my friend group chat so they can like gas me up a bit. I think it's gonna be fine, you know? It's just a little toy. It doesn't have to be couture. I'm trying to be calm, and also I think once we have the skirt, everything will come together a little more and look a little bit more cutesy. All right, it's skirt time. I'm feeling better. Oh, here, let me show you the finished little. This is the finished little shirt. We're gonna jump into the skirt. They are 6 inches around their little waists. So what I'm gonna do, take a piece of the bottom of the skirt that's 12 inches and then pleat that up, put it onto a waistband, and then I think I'm just gonna pop some Velcro on there. We'll be done. Maybe I'll make a little bow for it so I can wear a little bow. I have a strip of fabric. I'm going to tuck under this serged edge and make a hem, and then we'll try and pleat it. I hope this is long enough. Okay, I again went on autopilot and just started doing things. Ooh, we're running out of batteries. But let me show you her. Oh my gosh, I was really not happy and now I am so happy. So I made her this little bow headband as well. The actual Labubu is quite fluffy, so I'm hoping this is a little bit loose. I'm hoping it'll stay on. If not, I can make them another one. And then her little skirt. And she's so cute and I love her. All right, that's gonna be it for our project today. Thank you so much for coming with me while I make this uniform for the Labubu. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I think I'm going to be making some more Labubu outfits in the future. All my links are going to be down in the description. My Instagram, my TikTok, my Poshmark if you want to shop my closet, so feel free to check those out. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Be brave and do your best. All right, bye.